Alright, today we're going to talk about skill saws and how to properly use them. The first thing you want to do on the tools, like we were saying before, what you want to do is check all your tool items. You want to check your extension cord, make sure all the prongs are there, check the whole cord, make sure the cord has no nicks. The connection here on the skill saw is connected properly. You got a blade in here. Make sure your blade's good. You'll inspect it by turning it. Make sure it's all good, nice and clean. Make sure all your safety mechanisms work. And then also make sure your plate here, you can properly adjust it without wrestling with it or forcing it. You'll check the handle. Make sure the trigger works good. Make sure all the screws are in there. Make sure the proper screws are here for adjustment. Make sure there's no screws missing. Then you go and check. There's oil that actually has to go into the skill saw, so maybe once a week you'll open that up and check the level of your oil. There's oil inside of here that lubricates the motor. Alright, after you checked all the tools, make sure the tool's nice and good. Then you'll go on, put your tool to the side. You'll grab your item that needs to be cut the size. You'll put it on your horse. And you'll properly clamp your item needs to be cut. Clamp it nice and snug. Make sure it doesn't move around that much. It's all good. Use 2 clamps. Then you'll come and get your skill saw. Make sure it's not plugged in. Come over here, and then you'll check the depth. You'll put the depth down to here. Check the depth here on your skill saw. Make sure your teeth are just below the surface, possibly a 1/4 inch below. Then you proceed to cut your material. You put the skill saw down and make sure your hands are placed away from the skill saw. Okay, so what you want to do is grab the skill saw with 2 hands. You got the 2 clamps holding it, so you grab the skill saw with 2 hands firmly, grasp it, and start the skill saw before you engage the wood. And just gently push it through. You make your cut, your debris falls off, your material is now cut.